Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone.
How are you today? Are you doing okay?
We hope you're feeling good. We're so happy you're here with us.
Today, we're talking about hospitals. Yes, hospitals.
Hospitals can feel scary sometimes, right?
Yes, they can. But hospitals are also places of hope,
That's true. They're places where people get better.
where doctors and nurses help us feel better.
So today, let's talk about hospitals together.
We'll share some words, some feelings, and some stories.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and warm.
Because that's what we do here. We learn English together, like friends.
Exactly, like friends having coffee and just talking.
So, are you ready?
Let's begin.
Alex, have you ever been to a hospital?
Yes, I have. A few times, actually.
Was it scary for you?
The first time, yes, it was a little scary.
I understand hospitals can feel strange.
Everything is so white and clean.
And there are many people walking around.
Doctors in white coats, nurses in uniforms.
Sometimes you hear sounds. Beep, beep, beep.
That's the machines. They help patients.
Yes, they do. But the sounds can feel strange at first.
True, but you know what? After a while, it feels okay.
Really?
Yes, because you realize everyone there wants to help you.
That's beautiful. Everyone is there to help.
The doctors, the nurses, even the people at the front desk.
They all care about you.
Exactly. That's why hospitals are special places.
Special places of care.
And hope.
I love that word, hope.
Me too. Hope means things will get better.
Yes, at the hospital, people hope to feel better.
And most of the time, they do.
That's wonderful.
It really is.
So, Alex, tell me, when you went to the hospital, what happened?
Well, one time I had a bad cough.
Oh no, a bad cough?
Yes, all day, all night.
That sounds terrible.
It was. I couldn't sleep well.
So you went to the hospital?
Yes, my mom took me.
Your mom, that's so sweet.
She was worried about me.
Of course, moms always worry.
When we got there, we waited in the waiting room.
The waiting room, that's where you wait to see the doctor, right?
Exactly. We sat on chairs and waited.
Was it crowded?
A little bit. There were other people there too.
Everyone waiting to see the doctor.
Yes, some people looked tired, some people looked worried.
But everyone was patient.
Yes, everyone was patient. We all waited together.
That's nice. Waiting together.
Then the nurse called my name. Alex, please come in.
Oh, it was your turn.
Yes, I felt a little nervous.
I bet you did.
But my mom held my hand.
Oh, that's so touching.
It really helped. I felt safer.
That's what family does. They make us feel safe.
Exactly.
So, what happened next?
The nurse checked my temperature.
Your temperature. That means how hot or cold your body is?
Yes, exactly. She put a thermometer in my mouth.
And then?
She said, "You have a little fever."
A fever. That means your body is too hot.
Yes, not too high, but a little fever.
Then the doctor came in?
Yes, the doctor was very kind.
That's important. A kind doctor.
She smiled at me and said, "Hi, Alex. How are you feeling?"
Such a simple question, but so important.
Right? She really cared.
That makes all the difference.
The doctor listened to my chest with a stethoscope.
A stethoscope? That's the tool doctors use to hear your heartbeat and breathing.
Yes, she said, "Take a deep breath."
And you did?
Yes, I breathed in and out, slowly.
Good job.
Then she said, "You have a chest infection. But don't worry, we can help you."
See, she gave you hope.
Yes, she said I would feel better soon.
That must have made you feel relieved.
It did. I felt so much better just hearing those words.
Words have power, don't they?
They really do.
So, did she give you medicine?
Yes, she wrote a prescription.
A prescription. That's the paper that tells you what medicine to take.
Exactly. Then we went to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy inside the hospital?
Yes, we picked up the medicine there.
And you took it?
Every day, 3 times a day.
Good. And you got better?
Yes, after a few days, my cough was gone.
That's wonderful.
I felt healthy again.
That's the magic of hospitals. They help us heal.
They really do.
You know, Alex, I think hospitals teach us something important.
What's that?
They teach us to take care of ourselves.
Oh, I like that.
When we're sick, we go to the hospital, we ask for help.
We don't have to be strong alone.
Exactly. It's okay to need help.
That's a beautiful lesson.
And it's okay to rest.
Yes, rest is important too,
At the hospital, they tell you to rest.
because your body needs time to heal.
Time and care.
And love.
Yes. Love from family, from doctors, from nurses.
All that love helps you get better.
It really does.
Okay, everyone, now it's time for today's learning moment.
This is where we look at some useful expressions.
Expressions you can use when you talk about hospitals.
Or when you're not feeling well.
Let's start with the first one.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well. This is a very simple sentence.
You use it when you feel sick.
Your body doesn't feel good.
For example, I don't feel well. I have a headache.
Or, I don't feel well. My stomach hurts.
It's polite and clear.
Everyone will understand.
Let's practice. Emma, how do you feel today?
I feel great, but yesterday I didn't feel well.
Oh no, what happened?
I had a sore throat.
A sore throat. That's our second expression.
Yes, I have a sore throat.
Your throat feels painful when you swallow.
It hurts when you eat or drink.
This happens when you're getting a cold.
Or when you talk too much.
That's true. Teachers get sore throats sometimes.
Because they talk all day.
So if you have a sore throat, you can say, I have a sore throat. I need some warm tea.
Or, I have a sore throat. Can I see a doctor?
Perfect. Now let's look at the third expression.
I need to see a doctor.
This is what you say when you're sick and need help.
You need to see a doctor at the hospital or clinic.
For example, I have a high fever. I need to see a doctor.
Or, my headache won't go away. I need to see a doctor.
It shows you're taking care of yourself.
You're asking for help, and that's good.
Very good. The fourth expression is take care of yourself.
Oh, I love this one.
It's so warm and caring.
You say it to someone when they're sick.
Or when they're stressed or tired.
Take care of yourself means be kind to your body and mind.
For example, your friend is working too hard. You can say, hey, don't forget to take care of yourself.
Or if someone is leaving the hospital, you can say, take care of yourself. Rest well.
It's a beautiful way to show you care.
It really is.
And finally, our fifth expression.
You'll feel better soon.
This is a sentence of hope.
You say it to someone who is sick or sad.
It means, don't worry, things will get better.
For example, your friend has a cold. You can say, you'll feel better soon. Just rest.
Or if someone is in the hospital, you can say, you'll feel better soon. The doctors are helping you.
It gives people hope.
And hope is powerful.
So let's review quickly.
I don't feel well.
I have a sore throat.
I need to see a doctor.
Take care of yourself.
You'll feel better soon.
Great job, everyone. You know, Alex, today's topic makes me think
Think about what?
about how we're all connected.
Connected?
Yes. At the hospital, everyone is there for each other.
That's true. Doctors help patients, nurses help patients.
Families support each other.
Even strangers in the waiting room share the same hope.
Hope to feel better. Hope to go home healthy.
That's beautiful, Emma.
I think hospitals remind us we're not alone.
Exactly. When we're sick, we need help.
And it's okay to need help.
It's okay to be vulnerable,
Vulnerable means we show our weakness.
and that's actually strength.
Yes, because asking for help takes courage.
I never thought about it that way.
Going to the hospital means you care about yourself.
You want to get better,
You want to heal.
and healing takes time,
It does. But every day you get a little stronger.
little by little,
And that's how life works, isn't it?
step by step.
Day by day.
We all have hard days,
Days when we don't feel well.
days when we need rest,
But then we heal. We get better.
and we learn to appreciate our health.
Yes, health is a gift.
We should take care of it.
Take care of our bodies, our minds, our hearts.
That's a good reminder.
So, to everyone listening today, remember this.
If you're feeling sick, it's okay.
Go see a doctor, ask for help,
Rest, give yourself time,
and believe that you'll feel better soon.
because you will.
You really will.
Well, Alex, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Already? Time goes so fast.
It does, but we'll be back soon.
Yes, we will. We're always here with you.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We talked about hospitals, but really, we talked about hope.
Hope and care and healing.
All the things that make us human.
I hope today's episode made you feel something.
Maybe it made you think about taking care of yourself.
Or maybe it reminded you that you're not alone.
Whatever you felt, that's okay.
Your feelings are important.
And remember, learning English isn't just about words.
It's about connecting.
Connecting with people, with stories, with feelings.
And we're so happy to connect with you.
Every day, every episode.
So until next time, take care of yourself.
Rest well, eat well, smile often.
And if you don't feel well, remember,
You'll feel better soon.
thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!